Hey, my name is Steve, and today I am going to show you how you can mirror the screen from your iPhone to your Mac or other iOS product. In my case, I'm going to show you how to mirror my iPhone to my MacBook Air, and you do that with a really cool software. It's called AirServer. I'm going to put the link in the description, but it's AirServer for Mac. You see the big download button. You're going to download, and then once you download, you're going to double click and run that program and go ahead and install it. It's going to install in your applications folder. So there it is right there for me up at the top, AirServer. And when you double click that, it's going to open up. Here's AirServer down in the bottom well. And up at the top, you're going to have this little logo, the box with the arrow pointing up indicating AirServer. So once you do that, you're going to go to your iPhone. You're going to sweep down, and right here where you see screen mirror, I'm going to tap that. And it's going to give me the option. Because I have AirServer for Mac on my MacBook Air, right there it is. It's giving me the option. So I'm going to tap Steve's MacBook Air. And there it has come up on my MacBook. I'm going to tap out of that. There's something on YouTube right there. One of the things I like about this product is that AirServer gives you a 30-day free trial. So you can use it and it will just show a little watermark. But they also have an educational license, a consumer license, and a business license. So they give you 30 days to use this. And if you like it, you can buy a license. So I will most likely be buying the consumer license at $20. The way that I really wanted to use it is I wanted to screen mirror my camera and video camera from my iPhone to my Mac. So for my particular situation, it's going to work perfect that way. So watch what happens when I flip it horizontally. So now you have the everything working horizontally on your MacBook screen. So for me, it's going to work excellent like that. So there you go. You can dive into this a little deeper, but this is the easiest way that I have found to mirror your screen of your iPhone to your MacBook or your iMac or other iOS product. Hey, I hope this has been helpful to you.